Hi, this is the button guy. Today we're going to make a zipper pull. To make a zipper pull, you will need artwork printed and cut to size, shells, Mylar, Versa backs, zipper pulls, collets. Place the button maker on your work surface so that you can pull down on the handle comfortably. Let's begin. Start with the die table rotated so the pickup die is to the front. Take the shell and place it face up in the pickup die, the shallow one. Then, place your pre-cut artwork face up on top of the shell. Remember where the top of your design is. Next, place the Mylar film over top of the artwork. Rotate the die table 180 degrees to reveal the crimp die. Pull the handle down. Then, place the collet face down, so that the flat side is down, in the crimp die. Rotate the die table 180 degrees. Pull the handle down. You will need to attach the zipper pull to the Versa back. Simply thread the zipper pull through the hole and snap it into place. Attach the Versa back to the button assembly by snapping it into the collet. And there you have a completed zipper pull. Remember, shell, artwork, Mylar, rotate, pull, collet, rotate, pull, attach, insert, complete. Want to learn more? Check out my other videos or visit thebuttonguy.net. For button parts, machines, and other supplies, contact buttongiant.com or peoplepowerpress.org.